welcome back, and today we're here in Muzquiz, Mexico, a beautiful small town located next to the Sierra Madre Oriental mountain range. And this town happened to be our home base while we were visiting Nacimiento from our last video. And it's here that we found a very nice and decently priced hotel in Muzquiz, about a 45-minute drive from Nacimiento. Plus, the hotel staff was attentive and friendly. Let's check it out.
Is that what? Yeah, you see what we dealing with. Okay.
So this is the hotel we've been staying at last few days. Sierra Bonita, and it's pretty decent, decently priced. The only problem I'll say is it's on the edge of town, because once you go out that way, there's pretty much nothing out there. Most of the stuff is back this way. Right there. We'll go inside afterwards and check it out. So that's the front desk there. And this is all in Muzquiz. All these murals you see here are all actual places in the town. To the recent droughts over the last couple of years, tourism has dried up. But when things are at full peak, there are waterfalls along the hills that brings many travelers to visit. We got the kitchen here, all right. And we'll continue down here, and yeah, we'll go to the room. Actually, we'll go out and check out the pool first, and then come back to the room. All right. The night we checked in, there was a family here at the hotel, and they were really enjoying this pool and using it to the max. They checked out the next day, and for the rest of the 3 days of our stay, I believe the hotel was pretty much empty. So during the hot days, you knew you had this pool to yourself. We found this hotel on Google, had really good reviews, and ended up being about $80 a night during our stay. The rooms are simple, basic, and clean, and with AC. And since we didn't plan on spending a lot of time in the rooms, they pretty much covered all our needs. All right, this is the staff. The staff is we're gonna take photos and video. The staff. And they really treated us good here, so we're gonna let you know about this place. We're gonna share the video and everything, but the staff is very friendly. It's almost like a family feel here, so.
You see what we dealing with? You see what we dealing with, right?
Although I've traveled around parts of Mexico, this area is relatively new to me, and there's a few things that surprise me about this journey. I'll try to explain it here. The welcomeness, the warmth of the people when you visit a place. A lot of times you hear people talking about places, they don't really factor that in as into why they would visit a place. I will even say the negatives, right? One of the negatives was it was really hot. It was 106 degrees that day. So we started the end of this journey in Monterrey, Mexico, which is a city that I've visited before, but I definitely have to come back and take a deeper look. You can see some of the appeal of the city here with the stunning architecture and beautiful mountain range as a backdrop. But there's also very good restaurants and a thriving nightlife scene as well. On my next trip here, we'll definitely take a look at that scene. Next video, on the drive back to Monterrey, we had an interesting discussion about the travel mindset. I'll share a small piece of it here now.
I don't know if it's financially stable or just they prioritize, priorities. Because my friends, I want to get my lashes done, I want to get my nails done, my hair done, we're going to the club, we're going to get a section. That's a round trip ticket. That's $40 for your visa for $180. So it's just how you spend your money.
Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, check out some of my other videos. And stay tuned, because I got more new stuff coming soon.
Mami ven aquí, moji mulena vanemia ila.